May I venture to answer the question of Senator Soto nung tinanong niya, ano to? Diba? Ano to yung nag-robe, etc. Nasagot na po kasi ni Sara Geronimo yon. Nung sinabi niya kay Coco Martin, there was never an us. There was never an us. Sinabi kasi ng Supreme Court na void ab initio to. But I have a reason, Mr. Minority Leader, former Senate President, and Senator Ping, why I bring this up. Because I agree with Senator Ping na ano ang i-dismiss natin. Because ang sinasabi ng Supreme Court, and that goes to my last point, for your consideration, Senator Marcoleta, sabi ng Supreme Court, there was never an us, ibig sabihin, void ab initio. So wala tayong i-dismiss. So theoretically, if we do not do anything today, we are following the Supreme Court decision. Except, yeah, that's why I'm agreeing with you. So agree with me when I'm agreeing with you, Mr. Senate President and Senator Ping. However, human nature is that if we do not do anything, people will say it's pending. And we do have the 1 year one filing bar. So the Constitution did not intend that every single day of your life as ombudsman, as vice president, president, may nakatutok sa yung impeachment. So it is also fair to the vice president that we dispose of this. The question now is, if it is void ab initio, why did the Supreme Court not apply the doctrine of operative fact? In my research, two reasons. One, hindi po bringing up ng House of Representatives ito. Bringing up po to ng House of Representatives later on in the MR. Number two, there is a rule that kapag ka magkakaroon ng injustice or may ma-oppress, hindi pwede yung operative fact. So since my finding, please correct me, Senator Marcoleta, if I'm wrong. Since my finding po ang Supreme Court na sinircumvent yung 1 year bar, hindi ka ngayon pwede mag-operative fact kasi para mo ni-reward ngayon yung circumvention. Am I correct sa
Yes, Mr.
pagkaintindi?
President, because the doctrine of operative fact is based on equity and fairness. Wala pong equity talaga eh. Hindi po sinunod ang mga tuntunin. So, sa umpisa pa lang, nagpalusot na. Kaya hindi po pwedeng gamitin yung operative fact.